Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review of Notebook Therapy's Tsuki bullet journal. I'm not sponsored or collaborating with Notebook Therapy today, I just found this notebook online and I fell in love with it, so I bought it with my own money for 2021, but I couldn't wait until 2021, so I'm doing a review for it. So without further ado, let's jump on into the unboxing of this journal. Right from the bat, I could tell that Notebook Therapy cared a lot about how they shipped their products. The notebook was in a sturdy cardboard box, and in that cardboard box, it was wrapped in bubble wrap. Inside the bubble wrap, it was wrapped in cellophane. Under the cellophane, it was in another box. They also included a nice little business card that has their social media accounts and their website, and it thanks you, which I really appreciate. The box that the journal came in is a very beautiful, eco-friendly package, and it's got golden foil designs with moons and stars, and as well as their name. They also put tissue paper around the journal to make it easy to lift out of the box. Now I'm going to do a brief overview of the features of this notebook. This notebook was designed with vegan leather. The vegan leather cover has a very nice, smooth feel to it. It also has copper foil designs and accents all over the book. It also has gilded pages on the edges in that copper color, along with 2 pink ribbon bookmarks. This journal has 160 GSM ultra-thick bright white paper and 176 pages. There's also a pocket in the back. It also has an elastic band to close your journal with, along with a very unique paper clip that's shaped like a star and a moon. Conveniently, it lays flat when opened, which is perfect for journaling. I started the pen test by marking the dimensions of the page. "31 blocks wide and 45 blocks tall." In the pen test, I tested a variety of fine liners, gel pens, ballpoint pens, Sharpie pens and markers, brush pens, and colored markers and brush pens. I did a brief smear test with the Micron 08, and it didn't smudge after 1 second, which blew me away. There was a little bleeding for the Sharpie marker and the thin Sharpie marker, but other than that, nothing else bled through the page. I also appreciated that nothing smudged or smeared as I was writing. Needless to say, this journal really surprised me, and I was really excited with the results. Thanks so much for watching my Notebook Therapy's Tsuki bullet journal review. I was really excited to review this journal, and now I'm even more excited to use it in 2021. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment down below if there's anything you want me to do a review on. And don't forget to subscribe for more content in the future. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Happy doodling!